Yamaha DT50MX fork gaiter swap, take one. Right, so I removed the front mudguard. I'm doing these 4 stainless steel M6s. Good job they were stainless steel, because if they weren't they would have broken. Okay, now I've taken the license plate off. Alright, so I've jacked it up on the rear paddock stand. That one seems to be going really well. This one is a bit precarious. I don't know whether it's a bit of view there, but managed to thread it over the torque bar and the brake rod. So I just removed the split pin and loosen this castle nut. So just pressing the 2 ends together of this circlip, be able to pull the speedo out now. Alright, I just took the wheel off, jacked it up that high. Once the wheel was off, the forks are able to slide out because of the clearance here, plenty of clearance. So take the fork off, give it a quick clean, snip off the cable ties and change the bloody gaiters. Wrong colour gaiters, but you know, replacement gaiters was needed. So the neutral light's blown again, so we've got to change it up. So a fresh bulb. So I'm going to undo this, undo that, and take off the headlight nacelle. With the clocks off, it's a question of easing out this rubber holder and finding the blown bulb. Right, so with the new bulb in, it's the reverse of taking it apart. Unfortunately, of course, my clocks are pants. This is broken, there's a screw missing from here. So, needs serious lathe work. Alright, it's now back up and running. Pretty well ready for its MOT, I think.